Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. And in this video we will take a look about Bitcoin. What's going on with Bitcoin for today? Bitcoin is dumping a little bit and we will take a look at this. Why is Bitcoin dumping? How deep is Bitcoin dumping? And what can we do next? Bitcoin on coinmarketcap.com, you can see it momently down with 1.4%. In the week, it's up with 2.1%. So on the weekly time frame here, on this last 7 days, Bitcoin is going to the upside, likely sideways and to the upside. But look at the altcoins, guys. Look at this here. Every altcoin here in the top 10 is red. Only Litecoin is going up a little bit. So Ethereum is going up a little bit today with 1%, but in the week Ethereum is going down with 2%. Binance Coin is going down. ADA is going up a little bit today with 1%, but look at this on the weekly, it's going down with 13%. Polkadot is going down also. XRP is pumping today. Very, very interesting. In the week, it's going down with 2%. Uniswap is going down. Litecoin is going down in the weekly sideways. Chainlink is going up a little bit in the weekly. It's going down. Bitcoin Cash, it's going down. XLM is going up to the upside a little bit. 4% pump today and 9% in the minus for the week, and so on and so on and so on. So the most altcoins are bearish for the last 7 days. They have a bearish chart pattern here. Look at this, they are all going down, they are all bloody red. So let's check Bitcoin. Here is the fear and greed index, and now we have greed. We have not extreme greed, we have 71 points, we have greed only. Extreme greed yesterday 76 points, last week extreme greed with 81 points, and last month extreme greed with 95 points, guys. So this is the quick overview for Bitcoin, the TA of the time frame 4 hours, and this is telling us damn bloody Bitcoin, it's going to hell, sell that Bitcoin. That's the 4 hours. Here on the 1 hour time frame, everything the same, sell and a strong sell. On the 15 minutes, we also have a sell, and a strong sell. Only on the big time frame, guys, and that's very important, we have still a buy and a strong buy. And on the weekly also, we have a buy and a strong buy. So the big time frame is telling us everything is fine. We're still in an uptrend. Everything is okay. But the 4 hours are turned bearish here on this TA, on this quick analyze, and it's telling us sell. So let's go in. Here is the daily Bitcoin chart. Every candle is 1 day, and I showed you on my last videos it's possible to see this rising wedge. We are in a big rising wedge like this. The red line here is the resistance line of the rising wedge. The green line here is the support line of the rising wedge. And you can see my drawing, it's possible to go down a little bit on this rising wedge, then up again, down again, and at some point we will break out of this rising wedge. No one can tell you if we break out to the upside or to the downside, but for sure we will break out, guys. For this picture, I can tell you something. The bottom of the rising wedge is momently on 50,000, 50,600 or 51,000. That's the bottom of the rising wedge. That's the very important support line for the 1 day time frame that must hold. This is very important. But something else, guys, I would like to show you something else here. Now it's important to watch as always, but now it's more important as always to watch at the indicators at the RSI. Relative Strange Index. So let me show you. I know, guys, you know it if you look in my videos. We have a bearish divergence here. Like this here. Bearish is always red and the bullish is always green. So we have a bearish divergence, and you can see we have an upgoing price for Bitcoin. RSI bearish, Bitcoin is bullish, and that's on the RSI a bearish divergence. But guys, we have something more here to see. Something more to watch on this RSI. I will open up a little bit more, but because today the RSI is more important as on the other days. Let me show you something. This is our RSI. Can I make it bigger here? What's going on with the RSI? Just a minute, guys. Move pane app. Okay, it's better here. This is better now. This is our RSI, guys. And I will show you here very quickly something here for the RSI. Yes, we have a downgoing RSI like this, and we have an upgoing Bitcoin price. But I would like to show you something more here. This is the Relative Strange Index, and we are forming here in this Relative Strange Index a triangle now. Look at this. this is a triangle. We have a support line for the RSI also, and we have a resistance line for the RSI also. And in my opinion, it's very, very important to watch this triangle on the RSI. This is still the daily chart for the future. So it's very possible, guys, that the RSI will come down here a little bit more, maybe to the line, to the support line. If this is so, we will see Bitcoin coming down also, maybe to our position I showed you here on this point, 51,000. That's the main target, in my opinion, for the next time, for the next days here. I think we may reach 51,000. It's possible. It's also possible, guys, to go up here again on the daily chart and to come to the red line, to the resistance lines. It's always possible. Everything is possible. No one can predict the future, but we can show together what is the next thing, what's possible. Is it possible to break out to the upside or to the downside? And guys, if we break out to the downside from this triangle, we have a very, very bearish target. It could go down very deep with Bitcoin to 40,000. It's not impossible, guys, to see 40,000 again. We have here a next big thing to watch. So RSI, very important to watch on the daily chart like this here. Can we stay in the triangle? Is it going to the upside or to the downside? Very, very important. Let's close the RSI. Let's open now. Very next important thing here. Let's open now the MACD. MACD on the daily chart, we will see what's going on here. So here it is. The MACD is still bullish, but look at this. Look at the blue line. It's coming down from the upper side very, very quick here, and it's possible to see very, very fast this crossing, the crossing of the blue line and the brown line. You can see it also here with these candles. The candles are not growing anymore. They're going lower. They are lower and lower, not higher. They are turning from dark green into light green, and that's a bearish sign now for the MACD on the daily time frame. We are still on the daily time frame. So possible to see a very, very fast cross here, and then it may go down more and more. Attention, guys, for this. So let's turn on the indicator, the ribbon band. What is telling us the ribbon band on the daily time frame? Here it is. Ribbon band, and you can see it now. We are touching now the ribbon band. On the daily time frame, everything is cool, everything is fine. We are still bullish. We are touching it here, and you see the touch, the spike here down to the ribbon band. A good and nice reaction from Bitcoin, and a nice upgoing Bitcoin here on this daily time frame because of touching the ribbon band. So Bitcoin is showing reaction. There's a lot of power here, a lot of buy power here, and a lot of guys bought here by touching this ribbon band from the 1-day chart. Now let's go deeper. Let's go to the 4-hour chart and let's check this here. On the 4-hour chart, we have a bearish picture. We have a real bearish picture, and that's the point why you can see here on this point on 4 hours, everything is going to sell now. Why? You can see it. We are under the ribbon band. The ribbon band is now our resistance line, and you can see it. Maybe the ribbon band also on the 4-hour chart will turn into red, will come over our heads like a wave. You can see it here. Bitcoin is trying to fight back in the ribbon band, but the ribbon band is very strong resistance here, and you can see Bitcoin is fighting very hard, showing reaction on the ribbon band. It's going down again. Very, very bearish thing here. Also the MACD on the downside, very bearish. Blue line is under the brown line, and that's always a bearish thing here. We can make a parallel channel from the upside like this to the downside like this and to this point, and you can see it on the 4-hour channel with our downtrend. We are in a bearish downtrend, and yes, we are under this middle line. The middle line is acting now as a bad resistance for Bitcoin. We can make it red now. So this is our thing to watch on the 4-hour chart, the bad bearish downtrend and the bad bearish resistance. Bitcoin is showing reaction. Here it spiked through with a 4-hour candle. It's closed under this. Tried to fight back, down again. Now it's trying to fight back again, but Bitcoin is losing power here a little bit, and on the 4-hour chart, I must say it's looking really bearish here. Let's check the 1-hour chart. What's going on in the 1-hour chart? 1-hour chart also, you can see it very nicely here. Bitcoin is trying to fight back the middle line, spiked under the middle line again. Is the ribbon band is our big resistance, and on the 1-hour chart, guys, very important, we have a short position at this point here because of turning the ribbon band from the blue into the from the green into the red thing. So we have now a short position from this point here, you can see it, and this was a place, the last place or the last time where this said short Bitcoin going or sell Bitcoin now. So guys, that's the 1 hour chart, and you can see here some patterns. Maybe they will play out. I will show you this on the 15-minute chart, a very quick chart on the 15-minute chart and a very fast chart. On the 15-minute chart, it's looking like this here. In the 15-minute chart, we had a long position because of turning the red ribbon band into the green one, but now it's turning again from the green into the red, and we have a short position. So it's going sideways. It's very hard to trade this point momently. I have some guys here on my live stream. It's named Bitcoin Trading Informant. I am streaming there live 24 hours, 7 days a week. You have there a lot of information, and I think all information you need for trading Bitcoin. If you would like to follow us, please, I would be very proud if I see you there. I have a very nice community here and a very nice supporting community here. I have so much guys here. Big greetings to Xavier for last week. He was the top cheerer. Troll was place 2 for last week, and Antempire was place 3 for last week. Mirko was the best top sub spender. He spent 10 subs here on my channel. Greetings very, very, very much. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. And a lot of another guys, sorry, are supporting me very, very, very big here. I have to tell here some names because they are so much nice supporter here. God of Bitcoin spent Bitcoin to me. Fernandes spent Bitcoin to me. Mirko also spent Bitcoin to me. And big, big, big thank you to CryptoSharknado. He gave a big spend to me also on Bitcoin. A lot of other guys are spending or donating also, like Tsar Machine via PayPal or something like this. Guys, thank you so much. It doesn't matter how you support me. If you are sharing here my channel or sharing my YouTube videos or with nice words or with money, with Bitcoin, I'm very, very thankful. I'm really very, very thankful to have so a great community here. And please, guys, join our Bitcoin Trading Informant channel, live streaming on Twitch and YouTube, also 24 hours, 7 days a week. So back to this one here, guys. This is the 15-minute chart, and yes, guys, we had a W pattern here. You can see it. We had a low like this. We had a low like this, and I will show you on my trading tutorial videos what is a W pattern and how can you trade it. Some guys traded it. It was a very nice trade to the upside, and you can see it. Some guys sold here because of the resistance. Mirko made a really nice trade to the upside. Greetings to Mirko, to Rome. And now the guys are out of the trade. I hope so they are out of the trade, and it's going to the downside again. And we are trading this nice patterns. We are trading this nice things here. If it's going down to the bottom and up to the resistance again, these are very nice things to trade here. Okay, guys, on the 15-minute chart, MACD also bearish, now short here, and the ribbon band also red and bearish. Guys, all for all, I can tell you something. The big picture is, yes, we are bullish. The big picture on the 1-day chart, we are still bullish. Nothing, no problems here. We are in a big rising wedge here. Everything is fine. We may touch in the near future 50,700 in my opinion. This is very important to hold. And look at this. At this line, guys, this line is at 30,100, 30 or 31,000. Sorry, on 31,000 is the EMA 200. That's a very, very important line. It's coming from the deep here, and this line is a big support. But guys, don't be afraid. 31,000 is not the target for this downcoming Bitcoin for the moment. I would like to show you something also very quick here. It's the indicator, the MA21. Let me show you, because it's very, very important. The MA21. So now let's check this. The length is 21. We can make OK, and now here it is. Let's turn off all these drawings. Let's remove all. Let's zoom in a little bit, and you can see it. This blue line here, this blue line, I will make it here more visible for you. I'm making it always orange and really fat because it's a big important line here. Here it is, a fat line here. So, okay, this is our big support. It's supporting us on this bull run. You can see it's acting as a resistance. If you're under the line, you can see it like this here, and it's acting always on as a support. And this line is here momently on the price level. Let me show you. Here it's the price 52,000. So you can see, guys, this is a very important price level in my opinion. 51,000, 52,000 is a very strong support, and that must hold here for Bitcoin to see more mooning Bitcoin. But for this time, guys, it's all I can say. It doesn't matter, guys, if you're going long or if you're going short. I wish you all, guys out there, you make millions with your trades. I hope we see us tomorrow again. A very important thing, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. I can only give you all my infos I have and all my trader infos. I'm trading about 4 years now, or maybe 5 years, and I will give you all my information I have that you can make positive trades out there. Guys, thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for your comments, for your thumbs up, and I wish you a nice time. Have a great time. Yours, Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye bye.